Hi, I'm Aishwarya Roy. I'm having 5 years of work experience in information technology area, mainly focused on banking and financial domain. I'm very fortunate to get the opportunity to participate in the GSCI Technical Track 2020 conference and able to be part of their great initiative to encourage women's career in technical research and computing. Customer onboarding is a serious challenge faced by every commercial and investment bank, even in this digital era. It requires a lot of manual intervention, resulting to a long time taking process. When almost every process around us is automated, customers show very little patience for completing the account opening process. And many firms end up losing their prospective valuable clients in this process. So we want to focus on this process and reduce the pain point with the help of artificial intelligence and machine learning. The solution will help the firms to avail competitive advantage in the customer onboarding process and higher customer retention and customer delight.
To provide a context about the topic, customer onboarding is a serious challenge for both commercial and investment banks in this digital world. Many firms are unable to define the exact timeline taken, and as per Forrester Consulting study and many other statistics report, the timeline for onboarding the customer ranges from 2 to 12 weeks, which in turn increases the abandon rate even in case of digital onboarding. Actually, customers increasingly demand immediate attention, inability to service them real-time or proactively, especially during account opening, has a cascading impact and may ultimately lead them to losing the prospect. As part of this paper, we are proposing the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts to reduce the manual data entry and bring in significant changes to the customer experience and generate more customer insights during the onboarding process.
Hello everyone, I am Surya Mahapatra from BNY Mellon Technologies. I have a total of more than 10 years of experience in the banking and financial domain, and I am very excited to be part of this GHCI conference where we will be presenting on an idea for next generation account opening experience in digital landscape. As my team members Muhilan and Aishwarya have highlighted, there are definitely pain points in the current customer journey at the time of opening an account. So we as a team have worked on several latest technologies in the digital landscape to come up with an idea where we will be able to relieve some of the pain points. So we will be focusing on collaborative account opening experience where, let's say, at the time of opening an account, if an user encounters any error or has any questions, then how do we reach out to him proactively and solve out his problems rather than he has to have to call the customer care and get an appointment and things like that. The thing is, if we can somehow use the latest computer vision and NLP APIs which are pre-trained and able to solve some of the use cases to pre-fill forms and solve no KYC is already there, where we get to know about the AML and all the financial background of a client, but about the psychology of a client, about his mindset and things like that. If we can draw a mental map of the customer, it will help us in many ways, like cross-selling of products and able to get referrals and things like that. So we will look forward to this opportunity to present to the esteemed audience at the GHCI conference and be able to share our ideas and thoughts and be open for any feedback. Thank you.